All right, this is a quick home inspection overview of Unit 2293. We are starting the exterior, then we come inside. So looking around, I was looking for the water meter vault. I cannot find it, probably buried somewhere. It's a small round one, so it's pretty easy to be buried. This is called water channel, is damaged or it needs to be replaced. You get those from Home Depot, Lowe's. I have to cut it to size. So these flash metal valleys are full of debris. When I walked the roof, I did not find any broken tiles or broken concrete mortar pack. So that's in good shape there. This is the main shut-off valve in this case of an emergency. You shut it off right here. This is a backflow preventer, and the backflow preventer, these are rusted, but they do work. The hose connected to the hose bib on both hose bibs, the front and the back, are pretty much fused in. So I guess they're gonna have to leave the hose or either cut it in place. I looked at the distribution panel, looking at all the breakers here and inside, making sure that there's no burnt wires or double wires on a breaker. So this column caps are loose in a couple locations. So this, it seems like the water sits right here. So it has to be basically sloped out a little bit better, so the water can run and then come out through here or through that orifice right here. So again, some of the column caps are loose in some of the locations. I walked all the way around the perimeter, and then I also checked the swimming pool. So in the swimming pool enclosure, it has to have a secondary enclosure right here. So it looks like they took it off. Some of it is over here. They might be locating it, saving it right here. Not sure if it's in good shape or not. So that's it, and that's the door. The heat pump gave me really good temperature in AC and also heat, so it seems to be working okay. It's a Goodman brand. 410A is the refrigerant. So looking at the surface of the pool surface, seems to be in good shape. We do have a cracked concrete deck right here, but not the cool deck. It probably just needs to be painted. So that's the surface of the swimming pool. Coming through here, seems like we have some problems with gophers digging out on the dirt all throughout. This is the pool equipment. A couple things obviously should not be buried, so they're gonna have to try to get some of these dirt out of here. Not sure why they buried it like this, but it would damage the pump. It would rust the pump right here, because it's made out of metal. So the handle for the water discharge is missing here, is broken. And then the handle on this one here, on this bypass, is also broken. So that needs to be repaired. Needs some TLC, some tender love and care. So the continuing with the outside, like I said, the exteriors and the roof, no broken tiles. I walked it from one end to the other. I also obviously took pictures to be included on the report. A lot of these windows have the seal. It's called the hermetic seal. That's what keeps the moisture away from the windows. Pretty much you got a few of these in the back here, in the front. So what happens is when they fail, the gas that is inside is an inert gas. Argon is usually the gas that they put in. Then the escapes and the window starts sweating internally between the window panes. So in here we're missing the screen, storm. The door itself is in good shape. Pretty much a lot of times these need to be either lubricated or replaced. I checked all the appliances here. Everything works. The only thing will be here, the handle to the microwave is broken, and also the light to the microwave is not working. This is an electric, pretty much electric fireplace, but it's not the real fireplace. So again, I tried to turn the power inside, but it did not work. Probably it could be battery operated. Lots of the light bulbs need to be replaced in many locations. This is the condition of the carpet, not the greatest, most likely have to be replaced. You can see that it's torn up in some places and stained in some other. Again, this is a little bit of the problem with the hermetic seals again on the windows. You can see the window there, and then the hermetic seal on this window as well. So windows throughout. This one is also, the seal is damaged, and they put this cover, this film to cover it up. Okay, again, more light bulbs. Again, it's not a big deal. We just need to get some light bulbs. The ceiling, the drywall has seam cracks. You can see it right here. Seam is basically the tape and the compound dries up and it cracks. It's not a structural problem. We have the same thing here. The sheets come on 4x8s, and then they put it together with compound and drywall tape. This window right here, the mechanical retainer is broken, and the window just basically comes down. Attic access, plenty of insulation up in the attic. I would suggest that the drywall attic access panel is sealed a little bit better. It has some buildup of basically drywall compound in there. I check all the water, basically check this out, and there's no leaks underneath. This tub faucet is backwards, so when you turn it to the heat, it gets cold. When you turn it to cold, it gets hot. So the lines must be reversed. No problem there. In the toilet, again, carpet is damaged in there. It's damaged right here as well. Right here. So overall, the conclusion is the flooring, with the exception of the carpet, the tiles are in good shape. The carpet might need to be replaced. The roof, no broken tiles. No broken tiles on the roof. No concrete packs need to be replaced or repaired. There's no leaks underneath the sinks. No electrical issues with the outlets. So overall, not bad. And then a little bit of here that needs to be reversed. Let me conclude by finishing up the video up in the garage. A couple things in the garage. The hot water heater in the garage would need a drip pan. That's usually to protect the pedestal here. It looks like there was a previous hot water heater that was leaking. This one is a newer one. It's 2020, and no corrosion on the valve, so that's in good shape. 50 gallons on this one. So I recommend that they put a drip pan underneath here. The garage door opener, open and then it closed, but it's intermittent. It's not responding properly. These sensors have to be lowered. They're too high. So the garage door opener will need to be looked at for repair. So basically that is the conclusion. The last thing would be a cracked drywall right here. But again, it's not structural. All right, I hope it helps. I'll send the video. This is the laundry area. No problem here. Check for the water and for power. So we have both. All right, conclusion. I'll send you the video.